Let A is equal to x, 0 and B is equal to 0, y. AB meets the coordinate axis in points P of 3, 6. Divide the AB ratio 2:3. The AB ratio 2:3. So, M is 10 is equal to 2:3. P of x, y equal to mx2 n x1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So 2 of 0 points ఏంటి x, 0 and 0, y. 2 of x2 is the 0 plus n into x1 x by m plus n 2.2 plus 3. This value is substituted in this section formula. After we get 3x by 5, 2y by 5 equal to 3, 6. Comparison 3, 6. 3x by 5 equal to 3. 3x is 5 equal to 3. ఇక్కడ 5 డివిజన్ చేస్తుంది, వెళ్తే మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది 15. 15 ఈక్వల్ టు 3x. ఈ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అయితే డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ఇయర్. Next 6 is equal to 25 by y, 30 equal to 2y, y is equal to 30 by 2, y is equal to 15. So a is equal to x, 0, x value 5, 0 and b is equal to 0, y, y value 15, 0, 15.